This is Mary, and Mary got started in her network marketing business just 2 months ago. After spam messaging all of her friends on Facebook and Instagram, she's quickly realizing that none of her friends are supporting her in her business. It's so sad that no one told her about the Freedom Finder software that brings you hot, fresh leads each and every day that's interested in your business. Now Mary's about to quit, give up on her big aspirations, and tell everyone that she was sucked into some kind of scam. However, meet my other friend, Janelle. You see, when Janelle got started in her network marketing business, someone told her about the Freedom Finders software. And Janelle gets hot, fresh leads each and every day that's reaching out to her about her business. Now, you could be like Mary, or you could be like Janelle. But if you want to be like Janelle, reach back out to the person that invited you to this group and tell them you're ready to get started.